Good morning, children. Children, in the last class we learned about the topic that why do we prefer plastics. Normally, the iron materials or the metals, whatever that are existing in the previous days, they are very expensive and they are produced in a lesser quantity, children. Therefore, in order to overcome the scarcity or in order to overcome the demand and supply of the metals, the plastics came into existence. Okay, the plastic came into the existence, and here the metals, whatever that are there, they used to be corroded. They are used to be corroded, and they used to react with the other compounds which are there in the atmosphere, that is air and water. As a result, they used to get spoiled. Okay, whereas the plastic, whatever that we are having, they are very more durable, they are non-reactive, they are cheaper than the metals. Okay, children, they are strong, they are light in weight, and they can be molded into any type of the shape. That's why the plastic have been given the importance. And here in the same way we learn about the father of the plastic industry, that is Dr. Leo Hendrik Bakelin. Okay, right, children. Next we learn about the plastics and environment. We learn about the topic called as the plastics and environment. Plastics and environment. Normally, if a plastic is thrown on the land, normally they used to decompose very lately in the sense they used to decompose. It takes nearly some hundreds millions of years in order to decompose a small piece of plastic. In that, polythene covers, normally polythene covers, they will take some millions of years in order to decompose. As a result, normally whenever during the construction of any building or any house, when you dig the mud, we can see the plastics coming outside. Why the plastic coming outside? Why not the other wood or anything like that? Wood get decomposed, paper get decomposed. Normally if you throw a paper outside, after few days, after 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, you can't find the paper. It gets decomposed. If it is thrown into the atmosphere, it is thrown on the land outside. But whereas the plastic, they will not decompose very easily, children. They will not decompose very easily. Okay, plastics will take millions of years in order to decompose. Okay, children. And here normally the dump yards, where we can see the garbage thrown outside, there we can see a large amount of the plastic. Why they will not get decomposed? And here it pollutes the environment. Okay, children. Excuse me. Some articles, they seem to be remain for a long time, while some other may disappear. Paper may disappear, wood may disappear, but whereas the plastic will be remained like that. Especially the polythene bags thrown around are responsible for the clogging drains. Clogging drain means as the drains will not pass easily. That means they will be stuck up in the drainage system. Okay, canals. Why they will be clogging? Means it is because due to the what? It is because due to the plastic polythene bags. Okay, and here animals in the urban areas, particularly cows, eat these polythene bags containing food material. That means whatever the food that is made, that is there in the plastic polythene bags, the cow used to eat that one. When they eat, what happens? It will not get digested in the stomach of the cow or the animal, and at last the cow will die. Okay, children. Therefore, here the government of India, the Supreme Court of India, okay, had been said that they had recognized the effect of plastic on the environment. As a result, it banned the usage of the plastic, especially the polythene bags, and it said that the remaining plastic should be recycled, and no new plastics should be formed, should be supplied. Okay, children, like that. Therefore, excuse me. Okay, the plastic is banned in our state, but of course we can see that polythene bags carrying. We too, when we go outside, we used to use the plastic, the polythene bags. Normally we'll ask the cover, but actually even myself, okay, it's not the thing. We have been habituated. Therefore, you should overcome that one. How to overcome? You should carry the bags, okay, the bags to collect the vegetables, or the bags to collect the, okay. Normally you can see the wooden bags, okay. Normally the fabric bags are available, the paper bags are available. Therefore, we should carry them such that we can reduce the usage of the plastic. And here the direction of the Supreme Court in India, very thin polythene bags have been banned to stop the indiscriminate usage of polythene bags. What is the difference between the banned polythene bags and the bags using presently in a place of previous cases? Okay, what do you notice on that bag? What type of plastic it is containing of? Okay, some efforts are taking place to reduce the negative consequences of the plastic on the environment. If you burn plastic, it creates a lot of pollution. If you burn the plastic, it gives a lot of pollution. And here, children, plastic bags are more dangerous than an atom bomb for future generation. It is given by the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court of India said that plastic bags are more danger than the atom bomb for future generations. Excessive usage of plastic bags on their unregulated disposal has been choking lakes. That means it is objecting the flow of the lakes, ponds, and urban sewage systems. The Supreme Court said while warning that it is posed a threat more serious than the atom bomb for the next generation. Andhra Pradesh, as it the book was printed in the government of Andhra Pradesh, that's why it is given as Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh based NGOs drawing the court's attention to 30 to 60 kg of plastic bags recovered from the stomachs of cow, okay, because of irresponsible disposal of plastic bags and defunct municipal waste collection system. But the bench wanted to address the larger questions arising from indiscriminate usage of plastic bags, which not only posed the grave threat to nature and environment but also to the human race itself. All of us are watching how our lakes, ponds, and urban sewage systems are getting choked by the plastic bags. Unless we examine a total ban on plastic bags or put in the place a system for manufacturers mandating them to collect back all plastic bags, the next generation will be threatened with something more serious than an atom bomb. Justice Singhvi and Mukhopadhyaya said large quantities of water packed in plastic pouches which were thrown around in an indisciplined and uncivil manner across the country every day. A rough estimate shows more than 100 million water pouches are thrown all over the cities and towns in a day, the bench said. Okay, children. Therefore, here the bench means a collection of group of judges or the group of lawyers. They said they came to a conclusion that most of them they are not throwing the plastic in a proper way. They are throwing the plastic in an indiscriminate manner. As they are throwing in the indiscriminate manner, it gives a very threat to the upcoming generations, as it won't decompose, and it when we burn them, we get it pollutes the nature. Okay, therefore we should overcome this one. Okay, children. Therefore, all should take a oath that we should not use the plastic in a large number. That means when we go to market, or whenever when we go to the any shop, we should carry the bags in order to collect our groceries. Okay, children? Okay, the remaining we will be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.